Hello and welcome. Is your low back stiff or aching? Try these 6 simple and effective poses to get relief in your low back. Let's start with variation of warrior 2. Both legs are bent. The front foot is facing the shorter edge of the mat. Your back foot is like a kickstand. Now, gently pulse your hips to the side 5 to 10 times at least. As you pulse, make sure you're mindfully pulsing, not aggressively. Okay. And then hold at the end range of motion. So just go as far as you can. Your knee is passing the ankle and hold here for 3 to 5 minutes at least. Okay. And observe. You're releasing the inner thighs and groins here. The tightness here also causes the low back pain. So back to the center. Place your left forearm on the top of thigh. Right arm reaches up and over. Inhale here. Exhale, bend to one side. Always remember to breathe while moving. We are releasing the side line, the front of your bottom leg, also the side of your waist. Releasing this also helpful in releasing your low back tension. And make sure you are repeating the same thing on the other side, like pulsing at least for 5 to 10 times and then holding at the end range of motion. How far you can take your knee passing the ankle. If your heel is getting lifted, no big deal. Just keep it lifted or fill up the space using a folded blanket or anything you're having with you. And then back to the center, placing forearm to the top of the thigh, reaching the left arm up and over. Inhale here, exhale, bending. As you bend, always press down through the bottom shin, down towards the ground, and then release. Come, let's lie down on our backs. From here, what you do, you're gonna cross your one ankle on the top of other. Okay, this is called supine figure 4. Now, you gently sway your legs to one side and the other. Arms, any variation is acceptable. Just find your comfortable level here. Just sway a couple of times, observing the sensations in your low back. At least 2 to 5 times are enough. See how far you can take these legs towards the ground. And then pause in the middle. Option to stay here by gently pressing your bent leg using the same side arm. Okay. If you want to go a little deeper, clasp your fingers right behind the bottom leg or in front of your bottom shin. So gently pulling your legs towards you. As you pull the legs towards you, remember you're relaxing your shoulders. They are not shrugging towards your ears. Tuck your chin. Find the length at the back of your spine and gently squeeze with each exhale. And you should feel the stretch in the bent leg glute. Stay here in this position for at least 2 to 5 breaths and then release. Now, cross the top leg on the top of bottom leg and then go ahead for supine twist and then drop both legs to one side. Extend the other arm. Now, you can easily feel all the pops and crackles, relief from the low back. This is my all-time favorite pose. Maybe gaze right towards the ceiling or away from your legs. Choose any variation. You can stay here at least 3 to 5 breaths. Just explore every pose and then release. Now uncross your legs. Repeat the same things on the other side, like, figure 4, staying in figure 4, and then swaying your legs side by side for at least 5 times, just observing the sensations in your low back. And then holding here by gently pressing the bent leg using the other arm or clasping your fingers behind the back of your thigh or around your shin and pulling the legs towards you. As you pull, relaxing your shoulders and neck, and then holding here for at least 3 to 5 breaths again. You feel a nice, huge stretch in your bent leg glute. Make sure to breathe, just to surrender yourself with each exhale, not holding any sensations here. We are relaxing. Keeping your exhales longer than your inhales also really helpful in releasing the stiffness, also improve flexibility levels, right? Now, sliding the top leg on the bottom, then dropping your both legs to one side. Extend the other arm to the side. Keep peeling both shoulders down towards the mat. And then you can relax by closing your eyes. Just you can feel the instant relief here. And then legs back to the center. This time we are begin with a half bridge variation. Both feet together and open your knees to the sides. Now place your hands by your side. Now gently pick up your hips towards the ceiling. As you pick up, press down through both the feet, especially outer blades of your feet. We don't want a huge lift here. And hold and breathe here. 3 to 5 breaths. Keep tucking your tailbone, no arch in your low back. Accept the natural arch of your spine. And then Think of your knees going forward. You can stay here. Again, you can play around with dynamic movement like control movements, dropping your hips down and picking up them back to the ceiling and then hold in the end. Or you can even hold for 3 to 5 breaths. Just go ahead for static holds or finding dynamic movements. Just explore what movement is making you feel comfortable and good in your body. Always squeezing your glutes, engaging the hamstrings, really helpful. And strengthening your glutes and hamstrings also relieves your low back pain, which also teaches your core stability and control. And then squeeze your legs always together. Press down through the big toes of your feet. And then release with your next exhale. Come all the way down onto the mat, and then you can relax into supine bounded angle pose, like both of your feet together, let the knees fall open. And you can even support your knees with a folded blanket, cushions, pillows, and number of options just to explore. Now you can even hug your knees just to find any movement, maybe rocking side by side, give your low back really a quick treat whenever you feel your low back is aching because of stiffness or tightness. Just come back to these 6 poses. Instantly, you are going to feel and experience the relief in your low back. So, namaste. See you and take care.